Hey guys, today we will be unboxing the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. So the model I got is the Pacific Blue 256 gigabyte. So a couple of specs on the iPhone 12 Pro Max is an A14 Bionic chip. And this will obviously help improve speed and other stuff like that in multitasking and streaming. And another huge thing that Apple has introduced is a camera that has, I think, 87% better lighting, if I'm right with that. And this will help with low light and night mode and stuff like that. Obviously, with the Pro and the Pro Max, they have the 3 cameras on it that do multiple things at the same time. Also, this is Apple's biggest phone ever. This is a 6.7-inch screen. And it was released today, actually, and I just got it. So let's open it real quick. So it looks like it comes pre-packaged like this. Looks really nice, really nice. As you can see, I got Pacific Blue. The one thing, the downside about this phone, I think, is this material on the edge here. It is prone to getting fingerprints on it. So that's probably a huge issue that users have come across. So if you're worried about that, you can go ahead and get a clear case. I got a clear case. It's military grade and really high quality. Also, for protecting your screen, I got the Glass Elite Vision Guard Plus. Great reviews on the internet. It's considered one of the best. Blue light protection for eye strain and stuff like that. But yeah, overall, the phone looks really nice. Let's just peel this real quick. Beautiful. So yeah, let me just boot it up real quick. So yeah, I mean, Apple has been, over the past month, they've been rolling out different model phones. It was the iPhone 12 and then the 12 mini and the 12 Pro. And they did this to help reduce the strain of not having enough phones available. So we come up to the setup screen here and you just go from there. It boots up really fast. The one huge thing that was also introduced this year is 5G. And obviously, depending on where you live, you may not have 5G everywhere, but most of the time you will if you're in a big city. Also, the bezel is a little bit, there's a little bit less of that since the screen is bigger. And like I said, this is one of their biggest phones. And battery life improvement, obviously over time it's gonna decrease. But yeah, that's it pretty much for the unboxing. It looks really nice and we'll get right into it. Thank you.